Welcome back everybody to the R44 channel. Today is track time, or track car building session. We've got a bit of a challenge on our hands. So it's now 5:38 in the afternoon. We've got the Petrol Headalism, I can't really say it, but event. It's a 2-day event in Wembley, and we're gonna showcase the launch of this car. So the full track build. These are all the parts. We have up until 10 o'clock to get this car into the event. And let's walk through what mods we've got to install. So I don't even know where to start, Dylan. So let's start where we are now. So we've got a full, half cage from SW Motorsports. It's now available on our website. So a full cage, 2 TILLETT racing seats, full SW Motorsports rails. We've got 2 sets of 6-point harnesses, set of R3 Nitron coilovers, drop links, set of OLED lights, BOLAs, fully forged wheels. These are amazing. Hit the link in the description. They're on our website as well, and there's a load of details coming there. I'm just blown away with the quality and the look of them. Some CSF cooling pieces, full GT, the new carbon kit, so it's a GT front splitter, full-length side skirts, 3-piece rear diffuser, a shift LED steering wheel. I think that's pretty much it, isn't it, Dylan? It's a lot of stuff. So we've got, half cage, some seats, new wheels, suspension, some rear lights, a full carbon kit, and a steering wheel to fit on the car in the next 4.5 hours. Let's give it a go. Let's see what fun we can have. I've never fitted a cage to an F80 before, nor have I fitted some Tilletts, nor have I fitted some Nitrons to an F80, but let's have some fun. Let's get it done, and don't try and book in your car and get us to do this in 4 hours, because it's near on impossible. We're gonna have a few techs on it, but let's go. Less than me. Let's get having some.
Hello guys, Zach from R44 Performance here. You join us finishing off the F80 track build. Reese couldn't outro it. It was very, very late. We made it to the event, thankfully. Was at the EBC stand and was definitely a showstopper. So yeah, running around it, what we finalized. Full MHC kit, all prepared carbon fiber, looking stunning. Of course, dealing with the CSF cooling. There's more to come, of course. So yeah, looking forward to making progress on that. As we make our way into the inside, of course, we've got the TILLETT racing seats, all carbon fiber, stunning, super comfortable as well, considering the carbon. So yeah, really cool. Of course, SW Motorsport half cage as well. We've gone for a similar kind of track spec to the Porsche, which is really cool. Having these side by side is really special, really special. Of course, the BOLA FP2s as well, which again are really cool, really nice setup, forged wheel. Making our way around to the back, of course, we have the OLEDs as well. But yeah, really stunning build, super cool. Sitting in the showroom, 2 track builds, all spec'd out together. So yeah, all of course available at R44 Performance. So if you do see or like anything, want to come down, take a seat in the car, of course, want to feel anything, of course the shift wheel as well, full LED wheel, carbon fiber, M stitching to finish off. Give us a shout, let us know. Myself or the sales team will assist. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.